some precious cargo. This is some precious cargo right here. Wait, take a picture of this.
Wait, I love how we're kind of like
take a picture of this.
In white.
My friends don't care
went
about
for it.
me.
Well, yeah, that's
Precious cargo. I literally drank. Listen, this is a hot girl summer look right here. I'm in a fucking BMW in the trunk. Honestly, I would take a nap in here if you locked me in.
She's just Kanye's old fucking girlfriend or whatever. After
Kim Kardashian is Kanye West's ex's girlfriend.
Bitch, what are you doing?
She's living her best life.
Okay.
Take the phone. Okay.
We love a drunk little fucking guy with a yin yang twin.
I'm gonna make me act a fool up in here. Up in here. Do you know there could be a spider in my hair right now?
Do you know that I really... What?
Wait,
No, wait, hold on. What did Yeager say? Vagina.
Vagina. I can't get up. I literally can't get up. Will they arrest me for being in the grass?
No, I mean, you probably just don't want to be laying down here making it, like, super obvious.
Guys, I'm gonna roll down the hill and pull an Amber. I just wanted you all to know.
Will you do it with me?
Same time. Here.
Sal, move your car. Run, Sal. Oh, she started before you. Bring her to the car. Oh, my God. I thought she was going
If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes funk. If I quit this season, I still be the greatest funk.
My left stroke just went viral.
Hey guys, what's up? It's 5:22 in the morning. I woke up around like 3:30 and I just could not go back to bed. So I just got myself a little bong rip ready, so maybe that will help me sleep because I'm in pain. I woke up in pain, body pain, and I just can't go back to bed. And then I had a little bit of jolt of energy. So I finished doing a vlog that I put up. Well, the one wasn't even like, it was all edited and it just wasn't released. So I put that up and then I deleted all the footage from it. And now I'm just looking. I have more stuff I need to film. I want to talk about the Cameron and JoJo shit. I've been really putting that off and I don't know why. I feel like no one's gonna, like, it's old news, but I still want to weigh in on it. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'll probably do that tomorrow at some point. I'm trying to think what else. I have like a thrift clothes video coming, which you guys know I never do that, but there's like a 50% off day, so I got some stuff there. I didn't even know it was 50% off day when I went there. It was just kind of like, oh, word. Okay. I'm like not complaining there. And yeah, I've just been trying to clean up and get my shit together the best way I possibly can, you know. I did a lot of heavy cleaning here today too because I went to the Goodwill. I got rid of some stuff, and then my clothes lots I have on eBay, I'm trying to just take those apart and just do two similar items because I have way too much clothes. Like, it needs to go. It's stuff that I'm just trying to get rid of that's good condition that I need money for.
When she calls you a messy little corn hoe. Just girly things.
Meat on a stick. Meat on a stick.
What do you want me to do?
like a bone chop chop to my hips.
Christian Dior. Man, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask.
That's all I got. Yo, this is the wildest shit I fucking have seen in a while. Asshole of the year! Asshole of the year! Woo! What an asshole. Asshole of the year! Woo! Y'all gonna make me go all out. Oh, sorry. Whoops. We're like walking away from it. Do we know that? She's just following you guys. Fuck you guys. I'm going in. Suck my dick.
Like you've never seen fire. Wow.
I think this was the first fireworks I ever saw.
This is pretty cool. I haven't seen them from this spot. Usually I catch these as I'm driving. Oh, that's a smiley face, but it's upside down. Oh, that's a smiley face, but it's fucked up. That's a smiley face.
It's Sonic.
Dude, it's so funny. They just make fun of that design so hard in the movie. They gave him human teeth, and they just won't let it. It's so funny. Whoa! Oh! Oh, that's a smiley face, but it's upside down. Oh, that's a smiley face, but it's fucked up. That's a smiley face.
It's Sonic.
It's Sonic.
All right.